Here's an example of calculating the annual interest rate on an investment when we know the amount of interest earned, the original investment, and the time or the length of the investment. The question says Stephen is paid $86.40 in interest for an original investment of $1,200 for 4 years. What is the annual interest rate? So what do we know? We know the interest was $86.40. We know the principal investment, the original investment was $1,200. We know the number of investment periods was 4 years. It's invested for 4 years. And we want to know what the rate is. What is the interest rate? So our simple interest formula is I equals PRN. But in this calculation, we're not looking for the interest. We want to know the rate. So we need to rearrange our simple interest formula to calculate the rate. The way that we do that is we divide this side of the formula by P and N, and we divide this side by P and N also. On the right hand side here, the P and the P will cancel as a common factor, and N will cancel as a common factor. And we're left with our formula rate equals interest over principal times number of investment periods. This is just a rearranged version of our simple interest formula. And it's really easy for us to substitute our values in for interest, principal, and number of investment periods to calculate the rate at which Stephen is being charged, or is earning interest on his investment. So the rate is equal to interest was $86.40 over the top of the principal was $1,200 and N number of investment periods was 4. So with this calculation, $86.40 over $1,200 times 4, we have an interest rate R of 0.018. Now we're not finished here. This is our interest rate as a decimal. And when we're talking about interest rates, we always give them as percentages. So to convert this decimal to a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. So the interest rate is 0.018 multiplied by 100, and that equals 1.8%, which is much better. If your bank is paying you 0.018% on investments, then you need to find somewhere else to invest. 1.8% isn't excellent either, but it's much better than 0.018. Just make sure you check that you have converted your interest rate to a percentage at the end and not left it as a decimal.